Does submerged neon last for how long, and will the water ingress happen after a period of time? Hi, this is Melinda. These are some of the questions a client asked me recently. And it got us thinking about may you have the same questions and how the below 3 points might help you to explore a successful underwater project. What information requested when you receive a pull inquiry, and how to select neon in different water environments. Why we can guarantee the quality of submerged neon. As for the information collection, first you need to know the pool shape and the exact installation area. This will decide the bending direction and the mounting profile. Any requirements on the lighting parameter and the water type. Let us know the above details and we'll advise the suitable products. There are 4 common water types in the project: freshwater, seawater, and swimming pool water. Our PVC and silicone neon with injection connector all can be used for long-term submerge. Besides that, we'll also have a specialized hot spring neon, which is made of silicone but with different formula to make it better resist the harsh underwater environment. The hot spring neon is 3 years warranty. As for the quality guarantee, it is based on the testing of long period of time. Let's take a closer look. We'll keep offering the safe, reliable, user-friendly, and perfect products, and we hope to bring more benefits to your business. If you would like to check more videos, check out on our website. See you next time. Bye!